Yes. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Murat. How are you?
Great. I'm at the end of my day, a bit tired, but overall great. How are you?
Yeah, same. To be honest, same. Yeah, I just posted an announcement, reminded basically about our office hour session today. So I guess we can wait a couple of minutes before more people join us, and we can start with the latest updates, with the ongoing activity that we have. Let's wait just 1-2 minutes.
Yeah, today we are all Taiko people. So,
Yeah.
any questions you can drop on the chat and we try to answer.
Yeah, I think we didn't have like office hour sessions for quite time, so it's a good opportunity to have it today to talk more a little bit about our updates, because previous weeks we had tea with Taiko with our partners, and we're talking mostly about their projects and their experience of building on Taiko.
Lots going on Taiko. Lots of great stuff happening simultaneously right now. We can go ahead and start.
Yes, we can start.
Welcome, everybody.
Yeah, hello everyone.
So let's start with Trailblazers. It is in full swing. It is moving on full force. Last time I checked, which is 5 minutes ago, we have over 660k people on the leaderboard, which is amazing. We, as a Taiko, just broke our all-time record for transactions, daily transactions, almost 3 million, which is another amazing number, thanks to our wonderful participants and wonderful users. One of the big things happened today was Liquidity Royale TVL Masters, which aims to, I dropped the Twitter link on chat, which aims to increase the TVL on our chain, which is really important because TVL makes a lot of things go smoothly, go easier. From liquidity to network stability, it is an important metric. So we partnered up with Taiko and Panko to make this campaign happen. It is a great opportunity to participate and provide liquidity and get some rewards as well. How it works is basically this. You put in your liquidity on Panko or Taiko, and if you are among the 100 top liquidity providers, you will earn 10,000 Taiko tokens, which is flat and it doesn't change, depends on your rank. If you make top 100, you will make 10,000 Taiko tokens from this campaign. It has interesting mechanics and, to me, fun mechanics, like random snapshots. How it works is there will be random snapshots, and these snapshots will observe your liquidity on select pools on Panko and Taiko, and they will give you points based on the snapshot. For example, if you have 10,000 USD value locked as liquidity, you will get 10,000 points on the leaderboard. And this will stay until the next snapshot. At the next snapshot, if you have, again, 10,000 USD, you'll gain another 10,000 points. If you remove your liquidity between these two snapshots, you will not get any additional points, but you will still have your points. So if you want to get back, you can still participate. So lots to observe and absorb in Liquidity Royale. So feel free to check out our blog post and go ahead and participate. I think there's a lot of upside. There's 10,000 upside, to be exact. So, get involved. It's pretty cool, I think.
Yeah, just to add to the Liquidity Royale program, I guess many people, can start asking about whether to track their progress, their activity, and soon we will have a leaderboard where each of you can track that information and see where you're positioned. And I totally agree with Murad that this is the best opportunity, to get some rewards from the liquidity you provide. Especially it is like 10K Taiko tokens, which is, if we convert it to USD value or something like this, it's huge value basically. And also, I just want to encourage, everyone to lock their liquidity and to provide their liquidity as soon as possible, because as Murat already mentioned, there will be like random snapshots, and the first one should be basically very soon. So yeah, the sooner you provide liquidity, the better opportunities you will have to to get that pie of 1 million tokens provided to this liquidity royal program.
The first
Yeah.
snapshot will be towards the end of the week. So I recommend moving fast, taking action if you are interested in joining in, because if you join early and start earning points from the first snapshot, you will have an advantage because the others will be at 0 from the first snapshot and you already start earning points. So if you are into it, do the calculations, do your math, and if it is beneficial to you, if you are interested, I think take action sooner rather than later.
Yeah, and also the most important point is once you provide liquidity, it's better to let that liquidity be in those pools, so you are not at the late on the leaderboard and all of that stuff. So you are at the top of the leaderboard, so you don't miss any snapshots and all of that stuff.
Yeah, also for this campaign, your assets will not be locked like we have at Taiko Drips and Symmetric campaign. So if you don't want, you can withdraw also. So you can just try first and then commit maybe.
Yeah, basically.
No multipliers from this campaign to answer Big Ted. No multipliers. This is a separate leaderboard, separate everything. Everything will be just for this, providing liquidity. No, I didn't say Taiko. The select pools doesn't have Taiko. USDC and ETH are the singular ones, and there are some pairs to answer MD. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, Murat, you basically mentioned an interesting thing. I guess a lot of people might be confused, or they might have questions regarding the difference between Taiko drips and our liquidity royal program. So maybe we can talk a little bit about that to tell people about differences, about different rewards, and they can decide in which program they should participate, or which program they think is better or something like that, just for themselves to understand. Would you like to tell about that, or you want me to tell?
Oh, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so basically Liquidity Royale and Taiko Drips are two different programs. Taiko Drips is aimed on the fact that you lock your Taiko tokens and you earn some rewards, but those rewards are obviously different ones from the Liquidity Royale program. So for Liquidity Royale program, there is allocated 1 million tokens, And for Taiko drips, I guess we have like some special terms, and most of the rewards are from the apps where people lock those tokens. So there are two platforms. This is Symmetric Finance and Taiko drips, where you can log them. Also, on the latest states, there is already more than 10% of Trailblazer Season 1 airdrop locked in those pools. So a lot of people are participating. So this is where you can lock your Taiko tokens. And another thing, if you have, like Murat mentioned, some stablecoins, you can participate, or if you can participate in Liquidity Royale and provide liquidity in the corresponding dApps and earn something from the 1 million tokens.
Yes, it is. There's truly something for anyone who is looking to make their work, and which is really important because we embrace the diversity both in community and opportunities. So please check out our Twitter. Everything is there. You can even just follow the weekly recap to stay tuned about opportunities. We also have Built on Taiko Twitter account, which has many opportunities as well. So, thank for staying involved, and I hope you guys find opportunities just the way you like them.
Yeah, totally agree with you. I guess we have talked pretty much a lot about Liquidity Royale, and we have covered also Taiko drips.
Yes.
I see.
Oh, sorry.
One thing, I see that Joaquin shared the link of the Panko Finance and Taiko in the chat. So, guys, if you are interested, please check the chat and visit those links and explore them. Yeah, Murat, go ahead, please.
We have another exciting campaign going on right now, which is Robinos. Robinos Predict. Wrong link. Robinos Predict is a platform where you can use your Taiko tokens in a different way entirely, which is predicting stuff. And it's not just sports events, which is today is the Champions League day. So you can go ahead and predict some games from Champions League. I'm sure there are some easy ones to predict, but just play carefully. So what Robinos allows you to do is you can bet your Taiko tokens and make predicts and win based on the pool and participants. It's a decentralized platform, so the rewards you will earn depends how many people will join it, how many people bet on stuff. Right now on the platform there are 3 categories where you can gain extra points on Trailblazers: Champions League games, Taiko token price predictions, and the American presidential race. So if you make a guess on these categories, you will earn triple the transaction value in terms of points. And you will also join the excitement of predicting, which is fun. I predicted wrong a couple times there. So if you guys have any experience betting, please tell us in the chat. Yeah. Do you ever use Robinos, Ole?
Yeah, I have used that. I guess we had an AMA sessions with them, and also besides Robinos, they're building like another platform. Sorry, I don't remember the name, but I guess it's something like DEX also. And yeah, so if you guys interested, just visit Robinos, as Murat mentioned, or if you are more interested in their tech or in their experience of building a Taiko, you can check the AMA session which we did with them on our YouTube channel. I guess the question that people might have about Robinos is beside the Trailblazer XPs and Robinos points, do people earn some Taiko tokens or some rewards if they guess the result?
Yeah. So it depends on the let's say Real Madrid versus Celta Vigo, right? Everybody selects Real Madrid and you still win, you will earn something if someone else bets on Celta Vigo. So there needs to be two sides on this platform that bet against each other. So when the bet ends, someone pays the other one. So it's an exciting thing, you wake up one day and you see, oh, I got some extra tokens. Where did they come from? It's from Robinos. As long as you win, I think it should be really fun and play carefully.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Totally agree with you. And if we compare it with some real betting platforms, the on-chain one is much more better, much more convenient. That it is decentralized, and you don't need to do some KYCs and all of those boring stuff. So that is a very big plus for the Robinos, and taking into the consideration that today we have some Champions League football games, everyone can start betting on Robinos and check that platform out. And moreover, earn some Trailblazer points and triple their, rewards basically.
Yeah, there was a game last week, Turkey versus Iceland. I wanted it to be there because I wanted to bet against my Icelandic moderator friend, but it wasn't so. It wasn't meant to be. But check it out. There are some bets that are fun to say the least.
Yeah.
We can go beyond Robinos. Our Grand Factory is still going forward. We have a lot of great workshops, interesting topics, a lot of experts. A lot of leaders from Taiko had workshops throughout the weeks. Our head of partnership, head of DeFi, head of gaming. If you are interested in anything, any of these topics, check it out. Even our CEO and co-founder Daniel gave a workshop. So if you are into that, go see Dora Hack's YouTube channel. They have all the streams on their videos, and you can catch everything back and learn or chase your curiosity on there. A lot of great workshops, and it's a great source for knowledge at this point.
Yeah, I guess people can check that out either on YouTube or on Binance Live. You can check the links. You can check the links in the announcement channel of our YouTube Discord. And to be honest, a lot of people are interested in that, and it is cool. And we are attracting more and more developers to our network. By the way, the all-time high for unique proposers have reached like more than 40 people proposing at once. So making like the broad decentralization in terms of blog proposing, and it's very cool. It is very cool, and I think more and more people will start to join us in that way, because I'm checking now Binance Live, and the Grand Factory views are about like 5K, 7K. So yeah, we're attracting a lot of people to our network basically. And to be honest, we have recently celebrating like 100 million transactions on our network, but I have checked it today and it is like more than 200 million transactions. And we are growing very, very fast.
Yeah. It's a great source. if you are just starting on the industry, if you just want to learn, or you really like Taiko and you just want to learn more about the people who are shaping Taiko, it's a great opportunity. More developments. We are now listed on CoinW. Trading has begun today, and they have a bounty program that has some Taiko rewards for trading and signing up there. So, because interested, I am dropping the Twitter link to the chat. And since it's a common question, I want to answer. The RPCs are working fine. I never change my RPC, but when there is a lot of transactions on the mempool, sometimes the transactions with the lower gas fee are delayed. They're on the line and they're on the back of the line. So what you can do to go front of the line, you need to mark up your gas price. So if your gas price is 0.05 GUI, then you need to go up. You don't need to go up drastically, but you need to go up a bit, just enough so you can transact. Otherwise, you will either wait a long time or your transaction will be dropped entirely. So if your transaction is stuck, I am dropping the solution for that, but afterwards you need to pay a higher gas fee to get your transaction going. Yeah.
Yeah, more on the updates from us. Soon we will have on Taki update, which already had happened on the Hekla testnet. It is mostly important for I think our provers, our proposers. So we'll be posting an announcement regarding that. So keep an eye on our announcement channel and implement all the changes you need for your provers and proposers to run properly, so you do not, lose something or your prover or proposer stops.
Yeah. Just to circle back and finish on a important note, that let's talk about Liquidity Royale a bit more. The TVL is one of the main metrics that everybody uses when they are looking at a chain, and that is really important that's a really great area where Taiko is improving and will improve further. This Liquidity Masters program is a way of ours that ensures that Taiko will grow healthily and we have efficient liquidity and our chain will function better. So this is why it has a big price pool, and you may see it as a distraction from Trailblazers, if you are not interested in it, you may look at it that way, but you shouldn't, because rising TVL will benefit everything on the chain, not just liquidity providers, not just traders. It will help everything on the chain. That's why we have put a great emphasis on it, and we are running a strong campaign. So hopefully in the coming times, we will all reap the benefits of rising TVL, and it will be great for all of us, not just for liquidity providers, not just the 10K winners, but for everybody on the chain. I believe rising TVL will be much, much beneficial.
Yeah, totally agree with you, Murad, because TVL is important even not for liquidity providers, but also for regular users because they do not experience any slippages. Thus, they are not, looting anything and all of that stuff. Because if the liquidity is so small, then sometimes you might have problems with swapping something with high slippages, and the TVL basically solved that problem a lot. And also some points regarding liquidity Royale, just to add that this program will be active until the end of the Trailblazer season 2, sorry. And you will get the 1 point for each USD that you have provided liquidity to the protocol. So basically, you can even somehow calculate what will be your points and what will be your position at the end of the season. And already, as we mentioned, the leaderboard should be live very soon, and you will be able to track your achievements regarding the Liquidity Royale program.
Yeah. Well, I recommend everyone to check it out and take a great look at it. And 10,000 Taiko tokens, it's not to be belittled. It's a lot of tokens, and if you want to get it on the action, just read the article, visit Taiko's and Panko's accounts because they have sources as well. Just do your research, and if you find it exciting and if you see the upside, please get involved.
Yeah. I guess basically we have probably covered the latest updates. Do you think we have anything more to discuss, Murat?
Well, we have many exciting things coming soon on the Trailblazers, on in the chain general. So thank you everybody for joining us and joining this call and following us, being active on the Discord and everywhere else. And we want to congrats you again because we broke the daily transaction record for Taiko, almost reached 3 million, which is amazing to me, and I'm sure we will be reaching new heights together because this community is really strong and really passionate, and I think we're at the precipice of something great.
Yeah, I see the question in the chat from Sterling, basically about the when will we see Panko listed on the ecosystem website. Yeah, I have just checked our ecosystem page, and I don't see Panko yet there, but I guess it will be listed soon there, as it is like our important partner. They are fork from PancakeSwap, so they will be definitely listed there as soon as possible. It just requires some time to be listed there, some terms to be listed there. Yeah, and just some updates from my end. Also, we will be posting the roll-up coaster soon. I guess next week. So if you guys want to be aware not only about our Taiko updates, but also about general Ethereum ecosystem, because as Ethereum-equivalent rollup, we are contributing a lot to the Ethereum ecosystem. You can check the rollup coaster. We will be gathering there all the the most important things, the most important articles, recent articles from Vitalik, and you can check them. You can check the the most recent updates in that field, in that sphere. to be aware of them. We'll post announcements both on Discord and where. Yeah, I see Teen has raised his hand, so let's invite him. He is our usual guest on office hours, with Taiko. Please, Teen, hello, how are you? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, hello, Olev. Hello, Murat. I'm good, thank you. And hello, Taiko community. Good evening. I have some question about like new updates about TVL Master Edition. So like everyone is confused about you guys want to allocate 1 million Taiko token from Trailblazer Season 2 prize pool to the Taiko Liquidity Royale, and we don't know like how much exactly, like 1 million, it could be first there will be 5 million Taiko tokens for the user to Trailblazer Season 2, right? And now we got so we like have less than 5 million because we will allocate 1 million for a liquidity program. So that make me confused. Is there like more than 5 million for Trailblazer Season 2 regular user to do this program? Yeah, that's my question. Thank you.
Yeah, I can understand this being a very important question and important curiosity. Well, I can't talk about numbers, but here's what I can say. Not all of the 1 million pool came from users pool. So I really can't talk about numbers as it is subject to change. But this decision was taken after consideration, and as I talked extensively a couple minutes ago, TVL will help everybody on the chain. So even the prize pool is not 5 million.
Yeah,
it should benefit everybody. If it reaches the target, then rising TVL should be helping everybody. If I can make myself clear.
yeah. Okay, I got it. So also it's like if we join this program, we will receive some XP for Trailblazer. Like the point
This
here
one,
is it is the same with like Trailblazer XP, or is different point for different leaderboard?
This one will be completely separate from the Trailblazers, so you won't get points if you participate Liquidity Royale. So it will be the whole another leaderboard, and every liquidity provider will be racing with each other, not the Trailblazers regular leaderboard.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you for joining, and thank you for being a regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we don't have any more raised hands and any more questions. And I think like the most important questions have been already answered. So yeah, maybe we can wrap up this call here and meet next time, next Tuesday, with some of our partners for Tuesday's Taiko session.
Thanks, guys. Thank you, Ole.
Yeah, thanks, Murat, and thanks everyone for attending the Taiko office hours, and see you next week. Thanks for your attendance and for your questions. Bye, everyone.